Create a new document. Select the Type tool. And type your text. Pick a font. And adjust the font size. Pick a text color. Use the selection tool to place the text on the top part of the canvas. Go to Edit and select Copy. Then go to Edit and select Paste in front. Place the text below the other text. Swap the fill and the stroke. Select the top text. Go to Effect, Stylize, Scribble. Select Sketch. If you want, you can adjust the settings. Select the text with the stroke. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Roughen. Select Absolute. Adjust the size, detail, and points to your liking. If you want, you can adjust the stroke weight. Select both texts and align it in the center. You can now resize and move the text. And that's how you create this sketch text.